Solve tan square 2x plus 3 tan 2x plus 2 equal to 0, where x lie in the interval 0 to pi. Here they told you to solve. So you should find the values for x. Satisfying this equation, and also it should lie in this interval. Here you have pi, that means you should get the answer in radians. For that, put your calculator in radians mode. I repeat, put your calculator in radians mode. Now the given equation is tan square 2x plus 3 tan 2x plus 2 equal to 0. In this equation, you have tan and also tan square 2x. So what we do is, we take tan 2x to be some other letter, let us say y. Now you do the square on both sides. We get tan square 2x equal to y square. Now replace tan 2x and tan square 2x in this. This equation now becomes, in place of tan square 2x, y square. In place of tan 2x, y plus 2 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. Put this in the calculator to get the values for y. So y equal to, we get y values to be -1 and -2. Now replace y by tan 2x. So tan 2x equal to -1, tan 2x equal to -2. Now here, to get the values for 2x, here we have tan and here it is negative. So now you should check in what all quadrants is tan negative. It is all silver teacups. So tan is negative in the second and in the fourth. So 2x equal to get an angle in the second quadrant, we should do pi minus tan inverse 1. To get an angle in the fourth quadrant, we should do 2 pi minus tan inverse 1. Remember this, the negative sign should be used only for selecting the quadrants. Once quadrants have been selected, do not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now here, tan 2x, tan negative. It is negative in the second and in the fourth. So to get an angle in the second quadrant, we should do pi minus tan inverse 2. To get an angle in the fourth quadrant, we should do 2 pi minus tan inverse 2. Here, remember, the negative sign should be used only for selecting the quadrants. Once quadrants have been selected, you should not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now, 2x equal to, before you calculate this, make sure your calculator is in radians mode. Now put this in the calculator, you get 3 pi by 4. Put this in the calculator, you get 7 pi by 4. Now here 2x equal to, calculate this, you get 2.03. Calculate this, you get 5.18. Now the question arises, in what interval should the values for 2x lie? Question 2. More, how many values shall I find for 2x? To answer that, we do this. Here x lie in this interval. We need 2x. To get 2x, you multiply by 2. So we get 0 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 2 pi. So now the values of 2x should lie in this interval. When this happens, then automatically the values for x will lie in this interval. Am I clear? Now we should write all the values for 2x in this interval. Does 3 pi by 4 lie in that interval? Yes, accept it. Does 7 pi by 4 lie? Yes, accept. Now to get another value, I should add 2 pi to this. When I add 2 pi, I get a value. This do not lie in the interval, so you reject it. Now here, does 2.03 lie? Yes, so accept. Does this lie in the interval? Accept. Now to get another value, we should add 2 pi. When I add 2 pi, I get a value. This do not lie in the interval, so you reject it. So the values we got for 2x are 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, and here 2.03, 5.18. Now to get the values for x, we should remove this 2. So to remove the 2, you divide by 2 to each value. So here it cancel out, resulting in x. Here we get 3 pi by 8. Here 7 pi by 8. Put this in the calculator, you get 1.02. Put this in the calculator, you get 2.59. So these are the values we got for x. This is our answer. Am I clear?